AMD has officially clarified its state on RDNA 1 and RDNA 2 GPU after the massive backlashes from gamers. Yesterday, the company said those cards were being moved into maintenance mode, and people thought that means no more game support. But now AMD says that that is not exactly true. Let's break it down. What is really happening and what is it mean for your RX 5000 and 6000 series GPU? So it is all started when AMD announced that its older GPUs RDNA 1 and RDNA 2 were being placed into maintenance mode. They include cards like the RX 5700 XT, RX 6700 XT, and even GPUs used in the Steam Deck, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series console. This official statement said that those cards would only get critical security and bug fixes, which made it sound like no more game optimization. Naturally, gamers will freak out because those GPUs are still very capable and only about 5 years old. Everyone was backlashing and was pretty mad. Most tech YouTubers make video about this as soon as the news is out. So do I. I also covered the news. But after the backlash, AMD spoke with Tom's Hardware to clear things up. The company said new feature, bug fix, and game optimization will continue to be delivered as required by the market needs in the maintenance mode branch. In simple words, your RDNA 1, RDNA 2 GPUs will get day zero game support or not. Now, this day zero game support thing, AMD doesn't say that. It was headlined by Tom's Hardware. So we still don't know for sure if it's gonna be day zero game support or not. We just have to wait and see. Daniel also make a video about this. I recommend you to watch that too. If the statement is true, that means new games will be run properly with driver updates, even on discrete GPUs handled like ASUS ROG Ally and Steam Deck. So I want to talk about a little bit about maintenance mode. What does this maintenance mode actually mean now? Basically, AMD will focus new feature and tech like AI acceleration, frame generation improvement on RDNA 3 and RDNA 4. But RDNA 1 and 2 will still receive regular driver update when new game launches or when fixes are needed. But that market thing is kinda feel odd to me. Interestingly, this whole story made Nvidia looks pretty good in comparison. Nvidia just ended feature support for their Maxwell, Pascal, and Volta GPUs, including the GTX 1080 Ti, 9 years after the launch. And they're still giving security upgrades for another 3 years. So gamers are now looking closely at how long AMD truly supports their hardware. If you own an RX 5000 or 6000 series card, don't panic, not just yet. You will still get game support, bug fix, and security upgrades. But don't expect major new driver features or performance boosting tech aimed at newer architecture. Basically, your GPU is still safe for gaming in 2025 and beyond, especially for 1080p and 1440p performance. And one more thing, clarification. AMD also confirmed there is no change in USB Type-C functionality on RX 7900 cards. That earlier upgrade was a mistake in their release note, so everything is fine there too. So, so what do you think? Is AMD doing right thing here, or they are just doing damage control? Like the backlashes was pretty insane. Reddit, YouTube, like everything was backlashing AMD, and I think their headquarters kind of have little bit earthquake. Let me know your thought in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more GPU and PC hardware news just like this. I will see you in the next one, and all the information, all the sources are given in the description. Peace.